We all know how competitive the automotive service market can be. Your customer's experience when they visit your service facility will most assuredly determine whether they return and how often. That's where IPX comes in. IPX is the most effective and powerful client engagement technology for automotive service centers. Utilizing touchscreen devices, IPX will transform your business into an interactive, multimedia service center. This IPX experience will result in improved sales, consumer trust, and loyalty, not to mention what it does for your business image and efficiency. Let's take a deep dive into the powerful features of IPX. You are looking at an IPX business showcase. This showcase highlights your business and provides powerful marketing and educational tools that engage your clientele in an effective, interactive experience. Your IPX subscription comes complete with a personalized business showcase, including your logos, products, and services, as well as many other customized features. IPX apps are accessed via the buttons at the bottom of the business showcase. These applications work together to create the IPX experience. When not using a specific app, IPX engages your customers with its digital menu and advertising network. Interactive advertising playlists and promotional panels rotate to create an effective marketing environment. A promotion can be touched and instantly sent via email or text. Selecting a digital menu item displays educational and marketing detail to help consumers understand simple or complex services. By selecting the Auto Advisor icon, you enter the customer greeting application. This powerful, interactive tool is designed to ensure that each vehicle visit is maximized for quality and service opportunities. Customers are asked to sign in using their cell phone numbers and by selecting the appropriate vehicle. If neither the cell phone number nor vehicle is on file, they are asked to add them. Current mileage and any vehicle symptoms are recorded, followed by the option to purchase or renew an annual auto pass. An auto pass is a loyalty program that pre-sells common preventative maintenance items like oil changes, inspections, and other recurring services. Finally, manufacturer-recommended services are displayed for review. Auto Advisor has built-in email and texting features that notify you and your customers throughout the IPX experience. Once completed, the Auto Advisor interview is summarized and reviewed with your client. This is a great time to discuss questions or concerns by using the Auto Learning Center application. Building trust with your client is important. The Auto Learning Center provides consistency and accuracy when describing simple or complex automotive services. Whether explaining a simple service like an oil change or one as complex as a transmission or overhaul, the Auto Learning Center is a powerful tool. Links to the Auto Learning Center can also be sent for later review via email. Quick Quote takes the mystery and distrust out of the job quoting process by logically and professionally presenting quotes. Once needed repairs are diagnosed, selling the bad news to vehicle owners can be a daunting and challenging task. As your client looks on, Quick Quote connects to your preferred supplier, displays necessary parts and retail prices, adds required labor, and professionally displays the results. These results can be emailed, saved for later, used for parts ordering, or can be integrated into your shop management system. With AutoPass, you can pre-sell services that guarantee your client's loyalty. New car dealers have traditionally offered pre-sold services that encourage vehicle owners to return regularly to their service department to receive scheduled preventative maintenance like oil changes, tire rotations, and inspections. The AutoPass application gives you the loyalty edge with a proactive car care program integrated tightly into your customized showcase. Matching driving habits and other vehicle qualifiers with recommended services can be a simple task with the IPX Driver Quiz. Give your customer something constructive to do as they wait for their vehicle and potentially find upsell opportunities. You never know when a customer will be inspired to recommend you to a friend, but the most logical time is when they are engaged in the IPX experience. The Refer a Friend application can be accessed from your showcase, or you can include a request in the IPX CRM campaign. The IPX Meet the Team app is a great place to inform your customers of your team's qualifications. This instills confidence and trust in your ability to meet their automotive repair needs. Specials and promotions can be easily highlighted and accessed from your showcase. You can also use IPX CRM for email or text message campaigns such as pre-visit or between-visit promotions. Client retention marketing, or CRM, is key to any service center that wants to ensure loyalty and frequent visits. In most cases, IPX can replace more expensive, obsolete marketing programs. Your affordable, custom IPX experience will no doubt uncover the useful opportunities that are unique to your service center. With IPX, you ensure that each vehicle visit is a positive, trust-building experience that maximizes opportunities for loyalty and sales. Go IPX with today's most exciting and effective client engagement experience.